Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this is the life of Katie. I hope you enjoy it. This is my trailer for my channel, and I will see you next time. Subscribe, comment down below the videos you want me to do, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Hey guys, this is Katie. I'm gonna do my room tour, so yes, so here we go. Yes, I still live at home, and that's okay. I know I'm 26 and most people my age are married and have kids, but I don't care. So I'm gonna show you my bathroom first, and then I'll do so here's my bathroom. I have it in butterflies. And I like butterflies. So yeah. So this is my bathroom. You go out. Here's my nephew's bedroom. I'm not going to show you because I'll get in trouble. And then here is a closet that I keep towels and stuff in for my bathroom. And then you walk in here. And yes, I'm limping because I've got a bad foot. And on this side, there is a jewelry box and a jewelry thing. And then here's my dresser. And then here's a cabinet that keeps all my movies and records, different stuff. And then here's my record player. And then here is my bed. I have a queen bed. And then here is where I keep all my purses. And then an extra chair when I do videos that I sit down in. And then here is a window. And then here's my auction. And then there's a little picture thing right there. And then some junk. And then there's my closet. I'm not going to show you my closet, but there it is. And then there's a plaque right here. And then you go to this side. And I know it's dark, so let me turn on the light. That's my fan. Oh. And then here are some butterflies. And here is stuff that says hope, because I really like that. I always have. And then here is my TV and my dresser. I mean, my TV stand and my TV and DVD player. And then when you shut the door, here is something somebody made me. It says, Katie, hope is an anchor to your soul. Hebrews 6:19. And then a little thing that says hope that's got polka dots on it in purple, because purple is my favorite color. And so yeah, so I'll give you an overview, and it's back to me. So you guys, I hope you enjoy, and I will see you next time.